editorial.
Now let's learn about page masters on InDesign. You probably have noticed on your pages panel that you have here all the pages of your documents, and you also on top have here the a parent and a spread. This is where the master pages are. You can see which pages are assigned to it by seeing the letter here. So as you can see in all my document, I have the A. So I know that every single page is assigned to this master page. Why are master pages useful? For example, if you want elements that will be repeated on every single pages of your document, you should use a master page. If you have, for example, a grid that you want visible, like this, on your document and then put elements on top, the grid could be a master page. Or if you just want your magazine name on the bottom of a spread and then change the top parts and change for different layouts, this part could be a master page. So this will be very helpful because you just have to assign the master page to the pages to make your work more easy and quicker. Let's start first with what normally master page are used for, the page numbers. So as you can see here in my spread, I already have here 1 and 2. So I know that I want my page numbers to be here down the page. So I'm going to do, since I already have the layout, because normally we start by exploring the layout and then defining the rules, I will copy and paste these two elements and come here to my a parent and do like paste in place. That way I will know that it's pasted exactly where I want it to. So, okay, now that I did this, I can see that I have the page numbers on every, if I remove this, for example, you will see that it's replicating on every single page of my document because they are assigned with the letter A, so my A parents. But you also saw that in every single spread is also 1 and 2, 1 and 2. It doesn't change the number, which is not what we want. We want to make it the number changeable. So you just have to come here to the A parent, click here on the text and select type, insert special characters, markers, current page number. Do the same on this side, select the text, type, insert special character, markers, current page number. And you can see that on our master, it changed from the number to the letter A, which means like this is a marker for the page number. So now on our spread, you can see that you can have the different page numbers. So you can see here 6 and 7 and 4, 5, 1, 2, and you can now delete those elements that you had on top because you already have it set it on your parents, on your A parent master. If I add more pages, you will see that it keeps counting the number of page correctly. So this is the most common way to use a master page. I can show you a different thing that we can do with masters. That is, for example, to have your magazine name on the master. So I will do exactly the same. In this case, the magazine name will not change. So it will be my magazine every single time. And as you can see, it replicated on every single page of my documents. So overall, this is what the master page is more used to. But as I said, we have different examples of how you can use it. So for example, we have this grid that sometimes I want to have on my layout, maybe to add some elements on top. So at any moment, I can select my grid, copy, and then here I want another master page. So I will click on new parent. It's going to be the B parent. And inside I will paste my page. So as you can see now on my parent, I have my grid. But if I go here to this page where I originally had the grid when I was exploring the design, if I delete it, I am not able to see my master page because it's assigned to my A master page and not to my B. So I click on the two pages, apply parent to pages, and I will click on B parent. And now you can see that I only have my grid on this page. If I want also to do it on this one, I just have to come here and click on B and it will update here. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to manage between all the parent page, and it could be very useful if you have repeated elements throughout your editorial design.